Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Bhojraj Commerce Class YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon and share and comment. Let us have introduction on social responsibility accounting. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಿಧಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. So, COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. For this, many companies are donating funds to PM CARES funds. Regarding this, MCA means Ministry of Corporate Affairs has notified that companies' expenditure to fight the pandemic will be considered as valid under CSR activities. CSR means corporate social responsibility. Why the companies are donating or expendituring to fight COVID-19? The reason is a business unit is a part and parcel of the society. Its activities are vitally affect the society and its members. The goods and services it produces and sells, and the fact that the business provides the employment for a sizable section of the society and makes the business a vital section of the society. The business draws the benefits from the society in various forms. It is only in a developed society a business organization would succeed. The society provides the infrastructure and the facilities without which business cannot operate at all. The development of the society and the business are coextensive. Since the business draws the benefit from the society, it has a responsibility towards it. That means it makes an attempt to have a considerable balance between social fairness and the sustainable use of natural resources. Social responsibility accounting is also known as social auditing, social accountability, corporate social responsibility, social and environmental accounting, corporate social reporting, etc. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ CSR ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಫರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ICICI ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ICICI ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ₹1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ ತರಬೇತಿನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now we will look into the meaning of social responsibility accounting. Before we look into the meaning of social responsibility accounting, it is necessary to understand for the companies what has made it mandatory to follow corporate social responsibility. India is the first country in the world to make corporate social responsibility mandatory following an amendment to the Companies Act 2013. The amendment notified in the Companies Act 2013 requires companies with a net worth of INR 500 crores or more, or an annual turnover of INR 1000 crore or more, or net profit of INR 5 crore or more, to spend 2% of their average net profit of 3 years on corporate social responsibility. As I told you, Business is a part and parcel of society. Business receives benefits from society. Likewise, business has to give back to society. In this context, social responsibility accounting communicates the social and environmental effects of economic action, that is, impact on society at large. Exactly the meaning I quoted here. Now we will look into the definitions. Before we go into the definitions, as we know, the books of accounts of business are recorded only those transactions which are expressed in terms of money or money's worth. But social responsibility accounting has been defined by various authors in various ways, of which I have quoted a few definitions here, of which I will be discussing a definition. According to the National Association of Accountants of USA, has defined social responsibility accounting as the identification, measurement, monitoring, and reporting of the social and economic effect of an institution on society. It makes an attempt to quantify and present the effort of the organization in pursuit of its social and economic objectives. As I said, the accounting meaning, it measures the transactions which are expressed in terms of money only, but the social responsibility accounting monitors and reports the social and economic effects on society. Also, it tries to measure social and economic objectives with the time to time. Now we will look into the features of social responsibility accounting. Number one, social responsibility accounting covers all activities of the organization which have direct or indirect impact on society. For example, if profit is increased, economic and social objectives have to be relooked because it will cover the reason for increase in profit and its impact on society. Second one, social responsibility accounting measures social transactions in monetary equivalents, whether useful or outdated. Third one, social responsibility accounting also deals with activities affecting future aspects, that is, social and environmental aspects. Fourth one, social responsibility accounting helps in decision making process. Fifth one, social responsibility accounting helps us in optimum utilization of resources. Sixth one, social responsibility accounting improves social benefits by reducing social costs. Seventh one, social responsibility accounting is application of accounting on social sciences because social science concern about social process, social relationship, etc. We will move on to the objectives of social responsibility accounting. Number one, social responsibility accounting covers periodically social costs and its benefits and its impact on other social groups, that is, social constituents. Second one, social responsibility accounting helps us in listing out social priorities with the industry practices and its impacts on other social groups. Third one, to report to the company policy to the Social Responsibility Center. Fourth one, for better and optimum utilization of resources. Fifth one, to cover more areas in social responsibility accounting, like for example, education, transportation services, healthcare services, more planting of trees, etc. Sixth one, meeting society expectations ethically, that means non-employment of child labor or providing environment friendly materials, etc. Seventh one, to improve social welfare programs, for example, controlling environment pollution. Eighth one, the main objective of social accounting is to determine whether company is properly utilize their natural resources or not. In summary, we can say that social responsibility accounting is a tool or a framework established or designed to monitor, evaluate an organization's performance. The main goal of social accounting is to measure and reporting resources, costs, and social benefits in the corporate world. And G9 social accounting has been one of the first major stepping stone in improvements in corporate social responsibility.